Can you trade futures on Thinkorswim? Can I trade futures on Thinkorswim? Before delving into the intricacies of trading futures on Thinkorswim, it's essential to understand the magnitude of the futures market. Did you know that the global futures market trades over $50 trillion worth of contracts daily? This staggering figure underscores the immense liquidity and potential rewards offered by futures trading. Moreover, the futures market is not just a playground for institutional investors. Individual traders can also participate and leverage its unique characteristics. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Thinkorswim, a powerful trading platform developed by TD Ameritrade, provides a robust environment for futures trading. With its advanced charting tools, customizable layouts, and comprehensive market data, Thinkorswim empowers traders to make informed decisions and execute their strategies effectively. One of the standout features of Thinkorswim is its Futures Trader tool, which offers a dedicated workspace specifically designed for futures trading, simplifying the process of placing orders, monitoring positions, and analyzing market trends. One of the primary advantages of trading futures on Thinkorswim is the ability to access a wide range of underlying assets. From equities and indices to commodities and currencies, futures contracts are available for virtually every major asset class. This diversity allows traders to diversify their portfolios, hedge existing positions, and capitalize on various market opportunities. Additionally, futures contracts offer leverage, enabling traders to control larger positions with a smaller investment. However, it's important to remember that leverage can amplify both gains and losses, so risk management is crucial. Thinkorswim also provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders understand the fundamentals of futures trading. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced strategies, the platform offers a comprehensive learning experience. Traders can access articles, webinars, and video courses to enhance their knowledge and skills. Furthermore, Thinkorswim's community forums allow traders to connect with others, share ideas, and learn from the collective experience of the trading community. When trading futures on Thinkorswim, it's essential to have a well-defined trading plan. This plan should outline your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and preferred strategies. It's also crucial to stay updated on market news and events that could impact the prices of futures contracts. By conducting thorough research and analysis, traders can make informed decisions and increase their chances of success. In conclusion, trading futures on Thinkorswim offers a dynamic and potentially rewarding experience. With its advanced features, comprehensive tools, and educational resources, Thinkorswim provides a powerful platform for traders of all levels. However, it's important to approach futures trading with a disciplined mindset and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. By combining knowledge, strategy, and effective risk management, traders can navigate the complexities of the futures market and potentially achieve their financial goals.